Hello, today we will guide you through how to create QR code in KoboToolbox. To begin, open KoboToolbox in your web browser and make sure you are on the main projects area. This is where you can view and manage the forms and projects available in your workspace. If you have several projects listed, take a moment to locate the one you want to work with before moving on. Once you are on the project's homepage, click on Sample Project. This will open the project so you can access its details and settings. If your screen looks a little different, that is normal, since layouts can vary slightly depending on updates or account settings. What matters is that you open the correct project you want to share. After the project opens, look to the left side navigation menu and click on Deployed. This section is important because it takes you to the live, active version of the form. In other words, this is the version that can actually be filled out and shared with others. If a project has not been deployed yet, you may need to complete deployment first before you can continue. From the deployed area, click on Sample Project again. This action brings you into the deployed form view where you can access the live form link. Be sure you are selecting the deployed version and not the editing version, since the QR code should point to the form people will actually use. Next, click on Open. This will launch the live form in a new page or tab. At this point, you should be looking at the public-facing form itself. This is the exact page that respondents would open when they scan the QR code, so it is a good idea to quickly confirm that everything looks correct before generating the code. Finally, once the form is open, right-click on the page and select the option to generate a QR code. Depending on your browser, the wording may vary slightly, but the goal is the same. Create a scannable code that links directly to this live KoboToolbox form. After the QR code appears, you can save it, download it, or share it as needed. As a quick tip, it is always a good idea to test the QR code with a mobile device after creating it. That way you can confirm it opens the correct form and works smoothly for your users. That's it. You have now created a QR code for your KoboToolbox form, making it easier to share your deployed project quickly and conveniently.